Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're diving into the captivating world of human attraction. Have you ever wondered if that special someone might be secretly crushing on you? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll uncover 9 fascinating psychological signs that a woman might be totally into you. 1. The eye lock. Let's start with the eyes. They're often considered windows to the soul, and when it comes to attraction, they can reveal a lot. When a woman is interested, she'll likely lock eyes with you first when a group bursts into laughter. It's not just a random glance, it's a way to gauge your reaction and see if you find the same things funny. This seemingly simple act is actually a subconscious evaluation of compatibility. 2. Pupil power. Here's a fascinating biological fact. When someone finds another person attractive, their pupils dilate. This involuntary physiological response allows them to take in more light and observe the object of their affection in greater detail. So, the next time you have a chance to interact with her, perhaps offering her something or asking a question, pay close attention to her pupils. Do they widen slightly when she looks at you? It could be a subtle sign that you've piqued her interest. 3. Pointing her way. Body language speaks volumes, even when words are left unsaid. If a woman's feet or toes point towards you during a conversation, it's a good sign that she's open to you and feels comfortable in your presence. This unconscious gesture signifies that she's not trying to turn away or create physical distance. 4. The multi-glance. A single glance might be curiosity, 2 could be intrigue, but a series of glances across a crowded room can be a strong indicator of hidden attraction. If you catch her eyes lingering on you more than once, it's a clear sign that she's drawn to you and doesn't want to miss a chance to connect. This repeated eye contact is a way of subtly expressing interest without needing to directly approach you. 5. Lip service. The human mouth is a powerful erogenous zone, and even the subtlest actions involving it can reveal hidden desires. If a woman unconsciously touches her lips or glances at yours while talking to you, it could be a sign of attraction. It's a way of subconsciously expressing interest and hinting at a potential desire for a closer connection, like a kiss. 6. Hair play. Playing with her hair can be a double-edged sword when it comes to deciphering attraction. While it sometimes signifies nervousness, particularly in the initial stages of getting to know someone, it can also be a subconscious way of preening herself and appearing more attractive in your eyes. Here's the key. Pay attention to the direction her palms face during hair twirling. If they point towards you, it suggests that she feels safe and comfortable in your presence, making the hair play more likely a sign of subtle flirtation. 7. Friend zone. Intel. This one might seem a bit sneaky, but it can be a goldmine of information. If a woman finds herself talking about you with her friends, it means you've crossed the threshold of mere acquaintance and sparked her conscious interest. It suggests she's actively considering the possibility of pursuing something more, whether it's a deeper friendship or even a romantic connection. 8. The accidental touch. A gentle brush of the arm or a seemingly accidental bump can be more than just a physical mishap. In the world of attraction, these light touches can be a way of making subtle physical contact and gauging your reaction. It's a way of subtly testing the waters and seeing if you're open to further interaction. 9. The nervous energy. Butterflies in the stomach are a real phenomenon, and they can manifest as slight awkwardness or nervousness around someone you're attracted to. This is especially true in the initial stages of getting to know each other, when someone wants to make a good impression and avoid messing things up. So, if you notice her fidgeting slightly, stuttering a bit, or even blushing, it could be a sign that you've got her feeling flustered in the best way possible. Remember, these are just some of the many psychological signs a woman might be into you. By understanding these subtle cues, you can gain valuable insights into the complex world of attraction and navigate your dating life with more confidence. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to The Mind Detective for more psychology insights and relationship tips. And hey, leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with deciphering the signs of attraction. Until next time, take care and stay observant.